Looking for a grill that delivers juicy, flavorful meals without the extra fat? The George Foreman Classic Plate Grill is designed to do just that. With its patented sloped surface, this grill removes up to 42% of fat from your meats while cooking, so you get healthier, leaner dishes every time. Whether it's steak, chicken, burgers, or vegetables, this grill makes it easy to enjoy your favorites without sacrificing taste or time. What sets the Classic Plate Grill apart is the advanced George Tough nonstick coating. It's 3 times more durable than before, which means it wipes clean effortlessly after every use, no butter or oil needed. Plus, the dishwasher-safe drip tray catches all the excess grease, so cleanup is quick and hassle-free. This isn't just a grill, it's a kitchen companion that makes cooking less of a chore and more of a pleasure. I wasn't always sold on countertop grills either. When the George Foreman first came out, I was skeptical, especially after seeing so many at yard sales. But after trying it with some ground beef that was a bit fattier than I liked, I was hooked. Burgers cooked in just 5 minutes, coming out juicy and perfectly browned. T-bone steaks turned out so tender I could cut them with a fork. Even breakfast sausage browned beautifully and cleaned up in minutes. As I've gotten older, I appreciate how this grill speeds up cooking and cleanup, making me look forward to meals again. The compact size makes it ideal for small families or anyone short on kitchen space. Dual contact heating means both sides cook simultaneously, cutting your grilling time in half. It's the kind of appliance that quietly earns its place on your countertop by delivering consistent, delicious results fast. Whether you're a busy parent, a health-conscious eater, or just someone who loves a good burger, this grill fits your lifestyle. If you're ready to enjoy leaner meals without the usual grilling mess or wait, the George Foreman Classic Plate Grill is worth a look. It's simple, reliable, and built to last with that trusted George Tough coating. Try it when you're ready and see how it changes your approach to cooking. Fast, flavorful, and healthier meals are just a grill away.